States of America, Barack Obama, 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 Obama,
Follow President, he's the next new president. He is senator from Illinois. Yeah, his criteria compared to John McCain isn't there, cause he's BLAC, so the eyes are on E. Through his pencil, he writes legislation with the country on his mind, and he don't throw fish, cause he ain't got time every second, minute, hour. KKK wanna devour, he got guards ready to pop him with their choppers. Every brother, mother, sister, cousin, grandma wanna hump him. Even got Hillary Clinton on the side ready to jump until the Clintons couldn't catch him, couldn't stop him. They go by the party rules. If you can't beat him, you can't top him. Thought you'd smack him, couldn't pop him. Delegates couldn't cop him. Bill Clinton couldn't help her too bad, she couldn't drop him. Man, Obama's so ill. Yeah. Obama goes here, Obama goes there, saying yes we can. Like Michelle, he's sitting next every day. Travel to Arizona, ready to cause some drama. Hope a McCain don't comment. Look at that bastard Obama. History y'all used to have. Negroes always causing problems. This tail looking face got him looking for the robber. I can't, please don't confirm my case. First day up in office, talking about some hard things. Call the ambulance quick, all you hear is sirens. His paper isn't private. Dang, I hate a mad prick. Don't you hate a mad prick? Plus McCain's an old prick. Barack's a younger guy, so choose him, he's the right pick. But if you choose the wrong pick, your stepson will probably end up in Iraq quick. His healthcare plan is so immaculate, so even if you're broke, you can't afford to take a dock trip. You'll be feeling much better, not sick. And he's okay, but his wife's sick, and her back's thick, and her walk's slick. She's a fly chick. I hit. Man, Obama's so ill. Yeah. See, he's making history like ex-King and Douglas and RFK Obama. He's that new black, that redneck sick. He won't be John McCain. He don't wear flag pin. His middle name's Hussein. But who gon' be that boy down, that boy they call Obama? Got Republicans sweating like they up in saunas. Even McCain's 90-something mama be ready to pull his lever every hour. I'd rather eat a field mouse than to see John McCain in the White House. Vote Obama in, and I promise you won't turn back into some Uncle Thomas. No Aunt Jemima or Southern Fried Chicken. Call him Chief Obama or Mr. Keep Some Chicken. Ran past the riots, Congress couldn't stop his tally. Even Oprah Winfrey said that she was right behind him. People, I say this country's no hope without him. But he's gotta go out and relate to everybody. He do what he do, like give his wife a hug and then a fist tap. Gotta do that stuff in public so the hood don't know that he's black. Gotta use big words, white people love to hear them. If they hear it, they don't fear him, they don't know him, but they feel him, that's real. Obama, 08, White House.
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.
Gang.